Alright, so I'm pretty excited to share something with you because I like when people do unboxing videos. I like to see what they got. I like to understand their products. I think drones are awesome, and we just recently got a DJI MAVIC Air 2. So I wanted to jump in and just kind of, show you what comes in the box and just kind of explain my take on it. Okay, so here's the box that it comes in. Just MAVIC Air 2 with the Fly More combo. I highly recommend if you do get a MAVIC, make sure you get the Fly More combo with it because there's a lot of stuff that you're going to need. Of course, I got to get the batteries charged and that kind of stuff. I got to do that. And then I'll also make a video on putting these on. Some connection devices here. And a battery does pop in there. So now, to be honest, I don't really know how you use that.
I have no idea.
So I'm gonna figure that out. But this is brand new to me, this little piece. So that actually came out of the bag, and that was out of this top part up here. Then of course you have this wire here as well to charge the remote. You've got the power wire, the lenses there. The other things I wanted to show you was you have this wire here, and these are going to be for other types of devices or phones that you use. So if you're plugging something into the remote into your phone, that's what these ones are going to be. They gave us some of these extra like little joysticks, so that's cool. Even though there's the ones right there. So I will say I was kind of freaking out for a second. I mean, I'm looking everywhere because I use an iPhone, and I'm like, what the heck? How's that going to work? Because these weren't iPhone adapters. So just so you know, don't freak out, because when I open this up, I did notice inside of there, if you can see the wire right inside of there, that's actually for the iPhone. So they had the iPhone automatically in there. So that made me feel a lot better, because I was going, oh no, how the heck am I going to use this? So pretty cool that's in there. So like I said, don't worry, don't fret, just look in there if you're looking for the iPhone attachment. All that stuff came out of here. And then of course, like I showed you, the propellers and the book came out of the other little box. So the neat thing is this little pocket there fits quite a bit. And then there's a little tiny side pocket here, and then you have this main pocket. So there's quite a bit that fits in there. Sometimes this is nice just to have on my shoulder, or I use like a sling bag, it's like a tactical sling bag, and so that's kind of neat because if I'm on the bike, I can sling it back around my body so I can get to stuff. And then the drone, what's neat is this little tiny drone fits in that really well. So hope this unboxing was helpful. Definitely, if you like this, give it a thumbs up for me. I'd really appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.